Goku smartwatch with fitness tracker features called Q9L. It has a round shape and a premium finish, giving the smartwatch an elegant and modern look. The Q9L could be one of the most attractive budget options currently available. Stay with me to find out more. Welcome back, it's Adam, Family Pop TV. It comes in a simple, neat box, where you can find the watch itself, two sets of wrist straps, an elegant classic metal strap, and a waterproof sporty TPU soft silicone replacement sports strap with a stainless steel buckle. I will show you on how to attach the straps at the end of this very video. It's pretty simple and straightforward. In the box we can also find a multilingual instruction manual and a magnetic charging cable. The display screen is a color 1.3-inch TFT LCD touchscreen with 240 by 240 pixels resolution. The display provides a clear visual experience and it has nice colors that make it easy to read the text and information. It has 5 steps of brightness. I have it here on maximum and it could be brighter, to be honest. The display lights up automatically as you raise your wrist up. The Goku Q9L is available in 4 color options, which are rose gold, silver, black gold and black. If you're getting one or you're looking for a decent budget-friendly watch, there's Amazon links in our video description where you could find the Q9L for the best possible prices available. The Q9L comes with an elegant and sporty design that is thin and lightweight, as the body is made out of zinc alloy, so the total weight is only 70 grams. We got a G sensors at the plastic back panel of the watch. There are magnetic charging pins, and there is one button on the right side of the case. Q9L looks neat, and it's having an IP67 waterproof enclosure, so no worries about getting wet while you're washing your hands or taking a bath, or even swim. We have done a simple waterproof test, just to verify if the Q9L is really waterproof, as manufacturer says. To recap, IP67 means the unit can be dropped into a body of water up to a meter deep for half an hour, and it's obviously resistant to dust. The Q9L is being sold under several generic brands worldwide. The most popular are Goku, Rundoing, Gulu, YWS and a few more generic brands. However, in most countries you'll be able to find Q9L under Goku brand. The Q9L is available worldwide on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon Deutschland for around €55, Amazon France, Italy and Spain for around €60 and Amazon Poland for around 308 zł. The Q9L uses the QWatch companion app that you install on your phone. Once paired with the watch, it sets up the time automatically and controls most of the Q9L's functionality. You'll have to scan a QR code with your smartphone to get to the Apple Store or Google Play, as the app is compatible with both iOS and Android. The QR code can be found either in the included manual or directly from the watch screen. You can find the QR code in the settings menu. Here in the app you will get a nice graphs of your activities, set the alarms, set your goals, notifications, etc, and it gives you control on everything the Q9L has to offer. It has a slightly different layout than most of the apps for the budget watches, however the items are arranged in a logical way. I'll quickly show you the most important features the Q9L has to offer. It has a pretty high degree of customization, as you will be able to download watch faces from the selection of around 80 of them. Plus, you'll be able to create your own watch face using any photo or image from your smartphone as a background. Scale it and crop it, and here you go. It's being sent to the watch almost instantly. Now, this is an example of a custom watch face. This can be done through the companion app. Step counter or pedometer. The step counter is well accurate. It gives you an estimation, but we challenge its accuracy. My wife has performed 1000 steps with a manual tally counter, and the Q9L has counted 1003 steps at the same time, which gives us a pretty decent 99.7% accuracy. That's good. The Q9L is pretty accurate in monitoring the heart rate and the blood pressure and the blood oxygen saturation. SpO2 is fine. We have compared the heart rate readings from the Q9L with the medical pulse oximeter, which has got a high accuracy of the heart rate measurements. As you can see, the Q9L performs pretty good. We have compared the blood pressure readings from the Q9L with medical blood pressure monitor, and the blood pressure is not far off. As you can see, the Q9L performs fine. The blood pressure is pretty accurate. Don't forget, this isn't a medical device, so the readings are basically for reference only. Tracking of the menstrual cycle. If you would indicate during the companion app onboarding process that you are female, you can use the menstrual cycle tracking feature to log details about your ovulation period. Obviously, these features are turned off if you indicated that you are a man. Sleep tracking, which measures the length of sleep, the proportion of deep sleep and the light sleep. Can't really confirm the accuracy here, but it seems to be fine. However, the sleep measurement didn't trigger twice during 7 days of our tests. Q9L has got 6 sports modes: running, walking, hiking, weight exercise, swing, which can be used to track badminton, tennis or ping pong, and rope skipping. You can easily keep track of these exercises in real time directly on the watch, and it allows you to understand your physical condition. Unfortunately, the Q9L hasn't got a GPS on board, so you can't track your position during workouts. Real-time message notifications. It pushes the notifications about incoming text messages and social apps messages, as well as notifications about an incoming calls. You can't pick the incoming call, you could only drop it. It will work only when your watch is connected with your smartphone. There are other useful features which would require a Bluetooth connection with your phone, and there are Find Phone, Music Player Control, the weather info. This pushes the weather info from your phone, and a camera control. The watch also has a stopwatch and one built-in game, which is Whack-A-Mole. Basically, you'll have to hit the moles when they jump from their holes. Pretty entertaining. It has a 180 mAh battery, which should last you on average from 5 to 7 days top with the normal use, assuming the watch is constantly connected via Bluetooth with your phone, or up to 4 weeks when the watch is in a standby mode. To sum up, if you're looking for an inexpensive smartwatch or activity tracker which is fashionable and has a stylish design, you definitely won't be disappointed with your purchase. If you think the Goku Q9L is the right one for you, don't miss this out. There's an Amazon link in this video description. And now I'll show you on how to replace the straps. Pull this little pin here and then you pull the strap away from the watch. And to put it back or replace it with a new strap, you just have to reverse the steps. Pull the pin, pull the strap away from the watch. Pull the pin, it clicked, and you're good to go. Simple and straightforward. If you're thinking about buying this one, there's an Amazon link in the video description when you could find it for the fair price. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it pretty informative. Please show us some love, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV.